Nearly 3 million pieces of illegal vapes and accessories were confiscated and obliterated by the Bureau of Customs, or BOC, earlier this morning. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself led the dismantling of these smuggled electronic cigarettes. The products are unlicensed, lack health warnings, and their packagings are designed to entice children and get them hooked. According to the Vaporized Nicotine and Non-Nicotine Products Regulation Law, vape products sold in the market must have a certification, a tax stamp, or proof of tax payment, a health warning, and most importantly, there must be no flavor descriptors that entice young people to try, buy, and habitually smoke them.
Lalong-lalo na nakakabahala dahil kung titignan natin yung packaging talagang para sa bata. Kaya ang target market nila bata. Gusto nilang turuan ma-addict ang mga bata sa vape. Tapos, delikado pa yung vape dahil may lason ngang nakikita na isinasama. Kasi hindi natin naman malaman, hindi natin na-inspection, smuggled nga. Hindi natin ma-inspection, hindi natin alam kung saan galing. We do not know about the manufacturing process that they go through before they come here. So hindi natin malaman kung ito ba safe o hindi.